Summer in Arizona is approaching and it's time to insulate my garage. Here we go. All right, guys, I'm finally done. Came out way better than I expected. This is the NASATEC garage insulation kit and it looks pristine. I am very happy with the turnout of it. And let me tell you, today was 100 degrees. You can actually feel the heat coming off the, kind of on it. But what it's doing is keeping all that heat insulated in there. It's not letting it come into the garage. I work in my garage. I have my office over there. And in the summer times, it gets really hot. And also my AC doesn't have to work as hard. So just finished installing it and it looks great. And one of the things that I do like about this is that the seams here where you put the actual tape on, you can actually really push it in there and it's gonna trap that heat. And when you have things like this right here, you have a little heat seep out, but it's nothing too bad actually. One thing I will say when you're installing, make sure you wipe off all the seams, everything with alcohol, because you don't want to leave any dust in there. You want that that double-sided tape to stick really good. So make sure you wipe it off with alcohol or Windex or something, following the instructions to the T, because it's going to save you a lot of time. It's not going to be peeling off. And yeah, that's about it. If you're looking for some way to keep your garage cool, insulate your garage doors. This NASATEC is the way to go. You can get it on Amazon. And I'm impressed with it. I was actually kind of skeptical, but it came out clean. And that's what I was looking for, a clean look. So go get yours, guys. And when you open the garage, you see it's nothing's falling off. Everything's on there clean. Nice look right there. So this is what you're going for, that clean aesthetic look. Happy with the turnout, guys.